Hello, my name is Kimura from the Environmental Department of Soma Corporation. Here we will show you the necessary and basic equipment we use in coating photocatalyst. First is the basic coating process using a spray gun. This is a basic well-sealed spray gun. The cup is located on the top, also known as a gravity feed cup gun. The solution is placed in this cup and is mixed with air to create a mist formed to create a coating film. There are various sizes of the cup from a very small one to the largest being 500 milliliters. Thus, it is not suitable when coating a large area. Please watch the coating basics to know more about the detailed usage. Next is the pressure feed air gun. Unlike the gravity feed cup gun, there is no cup to place the solution. The solution is in this tank. This tank shoots the solution by air pressure from the air compressor. This tank can fill up to 20 liters of solution. Pressure tanks are sold by various companies. The smallest can hold up to 1 liter, whereas the larger ones can hold up to 100 liters. Realistically, it is recommended to have several 20-liter tanks for coating exterior and interior buildings by thinking about the transportation and workability. Again, please watch the coating basics to know more about the detailed usage. In order to use an air gun, there needs to be a compressed air sent to the gun. The air compressor does the job. There are electric air compressors and compressors with an engine that consumes gasoline. First, this is the gas-powered air compressor. From the range of this compressor, the air feed is about 1 megapulse, about 80 liters of air feed in 1 minute. With one of these, you can use 2 air tanks. In the case of large-scale construction work, it is recommended to use a larger air compressor. When the construction area is thousands or several tens of thousand square meters, or when the construction period is a long period of time, it is recommended to receive help from construction equipment rental companies to rent larger air compressors. This is an electric air compressor. This type with wheels have about 1 horsepower, where you can purchase for about 20,000 yen from home improvement supply stores. These type have enough air pressure, so it is also applicable for trial use. This type is often used for interior work and comparatively less noise. Although from its small size, it feeds high air pressure continuously, so it is commonly used for interior works. For detailed use, please check the coating basics. This is the air hose. It connects the compressor with the gun. When you use the air pressure tanks, you will need 2 hoses, one for air and the other for solution. This is the twin hose. Check the coating basics for detailed information. This is called a coupler, which allows to connect the hose and the gun, or hose with the compressor easily. This is the female connector, and this is the male connector. This is an earth leakage circuit breaker. In order to avoid an electric leak in indoor areas, it is important to have one when using an electric compressor.
This is an extension cord. Plugs are not always there close by. During glass coating, it is very useful to have drum-form extension cords or separable extension cord when using other electronic equipment. New buildings and construction sites sometimes have no light available, making the work areas dark. In these cases, when electricity plugs are available, we use light projectors. When working at homes, we use these kind of lights when there are hooking outlets for mountable lights. These are masking tapes for covering areas do not need any coating. These masking tape have plastic coverage film and tape together, making it easy and helpful use for coating. For more detailed usage, please check the coating basics. This is a mini sander. We use it for pre-treatments for glass. Place the pad designated for glass, and by the vibration, it takes off the excessive things off the glass face. This is a squeegee and washer for glass cleaning. It is important to have pre-treatments for both exterior and interior of glass before coating. When cleaning by wiping using towels, there are cases that many small hairs of the towel remain. Thus, it is better to use these rags instead of towels to avoid residue. When working with exterior, photocatalyst comes last, even for new buildings. After any previous construction task, there are many cases that the buildings are left for several days. Thus, it is important to have a cleaning task. Like this, it is important to have one set of cleaning equipment ready. Brushes used to scrub off the mud that are caught on exterior walls. Especially for lower level floors that are near the ground, or when people walk around with shoes that are covered with mud, after a rain, the mud can make the walls dirty. Sponges used with detergent are good for flat surfaces that are dirty from rain. Scrapers can clean the excessive dirt with their thin blade structure. For construction sites, depending on the tasks and circumstances, it is important to prepare one set of tools such as these. Work gloves are used to avoid getting head injuries. Working at high altitude, it is necessary to have a helmet. When coating glass, have a waist bag is very useful to carry different tools. Depending on the construction site circumstances, it is required to have safety shoes. When conducting a high-pressure cleaning, it is necessary to have rubber gloves, boots, and a raincoat. It is necessary to prepare different cleaning solutions.